How can you create your songs from text with artificial intelligence? VoiceMod.net, creating songs from text with AI. Doesn't that sound amazing? Artificial intelligence is doing wonders in every industry. And let's just agree that AI is actually a bliss for us all. If we ponder over the music industry, artificial intelligence has had a significant impact on it. Whether it's about music creation, production, recommendation, distribution, or analysis, AI have been producing mind-blowing results. We have various AI software which help in creating music. Along with that, AI algorithms have made it possible for music to be created and composed using algorithms and machine learning techniques. This enables the production of new and innovative sounds and styles. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the music industry by improving efficiency, enhancing creativity, and enabling new business models. Music production has been made much easier with AI and become pretty much popular in the production of music to automate tasks such as mixing, mastering, and arrangement, reducing the time and effort required by music producers. Added to it, AI is used by music streaming services to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their listening habits and preferences. Music distribution has become easier than ever before. Thanks to artificial intelligence, AI is being utilized to automate music distribution and licensing, making it easier for artists and music companies to monetize their work and reach a wider audience. AI can also analyze music and audio recordings to extract insights about musical structures, patterns, and emotions, leading to new applications in fields such as musicology, psychology, and marketing. Let's get into the step-by-step procedure for creating a song from text using VoiceMod. To begin creating your song, gather or write the lyrics or the text you want to convert into a song. Music creation AI platforms like VoiceMod uses AI algorithms to generate music based on the lyrics and other inputs you provide. Input your lyrics into the platform and choose the desired music style, rhythm, and tempo. You can also choose specific instruments or sounds you want to use. Next step is to generate the music by clicking the Create or Generate button. The AI algorithm will then use the input provided to generate a unique composition, review, and edit the generated music if needed. Most AI music creation platforms allow you to make changes to the composition, such as adjusting the melody, adding or removing instruments, and more. Finally, you have your song. Save and export the final music file in a format of your choice. You can save it as MP3, WAV, or MIDI, whatsoever you prefer. So what are you waiting for? Go to VoiceMod.net, download the software, open the text document containing the lyrics for the song you want to create. All you have to do is use the text-to-speech function in VoiceMod to generate speech audio from the lyrics. Use a digital audio workstation or a similar software to edit the generated speech audio, add music, and create a complete song. One thing to mention here is that creating a song with AI is not the same as music composed by a human and may not always meet your expectations or needs. However, AI can be a useful tool for quickly generating music ideas and inspiration, and can be a time saver for music producers and composers. Now, if you're troubled in evaluating the worth of generating music with AI from text, let me help you with it. The profitability of creating songs from AI depends on a variety of factors, such as the quality of the AI-generated songs, market demand for such songs, and competition in the industry. Well, if you get the most out of it and create AI-generated songs that are high quality and there is a market demand for them, and there is limited competition, then it can help you earn huge revenues. But the truth is, there is no guarantee of profitability, and it ultimately depends on the market and overall business strategy.